हेलो एवरीवन, आई हार्टली वेलकम यू ऑल टू द सक्सेस स्क्वायर चैनल। हम लोग ने ना 100 तक डिस्कस कर लिया था। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे प्रीलिम्स वेस्ट बंगाल जुडिशियल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन 2020 का 101 से। सो लेट अस डिस्कस दैट। The right to constitutional remedies guaranteed under Article 32 of the Constitution of India is available to all the natural persons, citizens, and non-citizens. So the correct answer will be option C. Judgment on admission is passed by civil court under Order 12, Rule 6. A wagering act contract is void under Section 30 of the Indian Contract Act. Basically, the law of limitation is founded on public policy. Under Section 82 of the Indian Evidence Act, the court may presume that the seal or stamp or signature is genuine, that the person signing the document held at that time when he signed the judicial or official character he claims. The answer will be both A and B. Appointment of receiver has been provided in Civil Procedure Code in Order 40 of the CPC. Opinion of experts are relevant under Section 45 of the Indian Evidence Act. A suit may be dismissed under 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, where the summon is not served upon the defendant in consequence of plaintiff's failure to pay cost for service of summons, and where neither the plaintiff nor the defendant appears, and where plaintiff, after summons returned unserved, fails for 7 days to apply for fresh summons. So the answer will be all of the above. Muslim law in India is uncodified with some legislations. Foreign state may be sued in any court with the consent of the central government. The power of the President of India to issue an ordinance is a legislative power. Under which article of the Constitution of India, nothing shall prevent the appointment of the same person as governor for two or more states. Article 153. According to Section 61 of the Indian Evidence Act, the contents of the document must be proved neither by primary nor by secondary evidence. Prescribed period means the period of limitation computed in accordance with the provisions of the Limitation Act 1963. Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 is an exception to the general rule, Section 3 of the Limitation Act. 116, which article of the Constitution of India the meaning of Gram Sabha is given? Article 243, Clause B, where once the time has begun to run, no subsequent disability or inability to institute a suit or make an application stops it. This provision is contained under Section 9 of the Limitation Act. To invoke the doctrine of estoppel, which of the following conditions must be satisfied? Representation by a person to another, the other shall have acted upon the said representation, such person shall have been detrimental to the interest of the person to whom the representation has been made. So the answer will be all of them. 119. Point out the correct answer. Adoption under the Muslim law is, what will be the answer? It would be unlawful. 120. Enforcement of the liability of surety under the CPC is dealt within Section 145 of the Indian Contract Act. Commission under Order 26 of the CPC cannot be issued for the appointment of receiver. The period of limitation under the Limitation Act 1963 for a suit to enforce a right of preemption is 1 year only. Question number 123. Disposal of property at the conclusion of trial is governed by which section? The answer will be 452 of the CRPC. Promotion of cooperative society is stated under which article of the Indian Constitution? The answer will be article the article 443B of the Indian Constitution. So question number 125. Which section of the Limitation Act 1963 is an exception to the general rule that in personal actions, the Limitation Act 1963 bars only the remedy and does not extinguish the right? The answer will be section 27. 126. Libel is a publication of a defamatory statement in a permanent form. Which section of the Limitation Act 1963 provides for the exclusion of time of proceedings bona fide in court without jurisdiction? Section 14. Bailment involves change of possession. Section 133 exempts a personal appearance in court, President of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha, judges of the Supreme Court. So the answer will be all of the above. Section 130, the limitation for filing an appeal commences from date of the judgment. The liability of independent tortfeasor is several only. Ijma under Muslim law connotes consensus of opinion. The Limitation Act 1963 does not apply to writ petition. Which section of the Limitation Act 1963 provides for the exclusion of time in cases where leave to sue or appeal as a pauper is applied for? Section 13. Definition of secondary evidence has been given under Section 63 of the Indian Evidence Act. Question number 136. Under Section 498A of the IPC, cruelty includes harassment of the women. Conspiracy is a crime and tort both. 138. Union with strong center is taken from Canada. The word wrong in a defense of insanity refers to moral and legal wrong. Question number 140. Surety can be sentenced to civil imprisonment in default of payment of penalty under the surety bond for a maximum period of 6 months. Motions of preparation, preparations and conducts are relevant. Motive of preparation and conducts are relevant under. The answer will be Section 8. According to Section 20 of the CPC, a suit may be filed at the plaintiff's option in the court. The answer will be where the cause of action wholly or partly arises. The time limit prescribed for the service of summons on the defendant is 30 days. The damages under Section 73 of the Indian Contract Act are compensatory damages. Right of private defense extends to causing of death under the circumstances laid down in Section 100 and 103 of the IPC. A decree may be executed by whom? A decree may be executed by whom? The answer will be the decree may be executed either by the court which passed it or to which it is sent. Section 140, question number 147. Admissibility of electronic record has been prescribed under Section 65A of the Indian Evidence Act. Question number 148. Public documents are mentioned in Section 74 of the Indian Evidence Act. Question number 149. Point out which is not Stridhan as per Dayabhaga system of Hindu law. Gift made to a female of immovable property given by a husband to his wife. Contingent contract becomes void when the event becomes impossible. So the correct option would be C. That's it. हम लोग 151 से लेकर 200 तक डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट पार्ट में. थैंक यू.